Let's take a look at this problem. We got 3x minus 7y is equal to 2, and 4x plus 3y is equal to negative 1. Now I want to solve this by the addition method. Now I'm going to work and eliminate the y's. These have to be the same numbers. For example, this would have to be 7 and this would have to be 7, but the signs have to be different. Now, there's no easy way to multiply 3 times something to get 7. So what you do is you can always just multiply by the other number. For example, figure out what to multiply my first equation by, I multiply by the 3. To figure out what to multiply my second equation by, I'll multiply it by the 7. So again, you can always just multiply by the other number. When I say the other number, you focus exclusively on one of the variables. Okay, 3 times 3x gives us 9x. 3 times negative 7y is negative 21y. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we'll multiply 7 times everything in our second equation. 7 times 4x is 28x. 7 times 3y is 21y. And 7 times negative 1 gives us negative 7. And now we'll add these together. Well, 9x plus 28x is 37x. Negative 21y plus 21y drops away. 6 minus 7 is negative 1. Divide both sides by 37, and we get x is equal to negative 1 over 37. Now we want to plug that into one of our other equations and then solve for y. And I'll pick my second equation. So I got 4x plus 3y is equal to negative 1. We just said x was negative 1 over 37, so we got 4 times negative 1 over 37 plus 3y is equal to negative 1. Gives us negative 4 over 37 plus 3y is equal to negative 1. I'm going to multiply everything by 37 to get rid of that fraction. So 37 times negative 4 over 37. 37 times 3y, and 37 times negative 1. Well, these 37s cancel, and I got negative 4 equals 911. Oops, not a plus. Let's try it again. Okay. So negative 4 plus 111y equals negative 37. Now let me double check that. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, that's correct. Negative 37. Okay. Now we want to solve for y, so I take negative 4 to the right side. So we got 111y equals negative 37 plus 4. So 111y is equal to negative 33. Divide both sides by 111. You get y is equal to negative 33 over 111. And both of those are divisible by 3, so that gives me negative 11 over something. 3 goes in that 3 times 37. So our answer would be negative 1 over 37 and negative 11 over 37. Assuming I didn't make a basic math error somewhere. Well, let's do it with technology and see how it compares. Now it's already in perfect form. The x's are in one column, y's are in one column, and numbers on the other side of the equals. So we'll drop our x's, y's, and equals and keep the numbers in their signs. So we got 3, negative 7, 2, 4, 3, negative 1. Size this matrix, rows by columns. This is a 2 by 3. So let's go enter this in. Okay, so I'm going to do a second x and negative 1. Left arrow over to edit, press enter on A. Size the matrix 2 by 3, so I do 2 enter, 3 enter. And I'll type in each number, pressing enter after each one. So 3 enter, negative 7 enter, 2 enter, 4 enter, 3 enter, and negative 1 enter. Exit out, do second mode, go back in matrix menu, second x and negative 1, right arrow to math, up arrow to RREF, Press enter on it. Go back in my matrix menu, second x to negative 1, enter on A, enter again. We get decimals. We change decimals to fractions by doing math, enter, enter. And we end up with 1001, negative 1 over 37, and negative 11 over 37. Two equations, two variables. Our first 2 by 2 square here should be a diagonal of 1, zeros everywhere else. That means it worked. And this would be x, and this would be y. So our answer is going to be negative 1 over 37 and negative 11 over 37.